Yes, good morning to every our respected viewers, all the subscribers, students and learners of English. आपण मानक स्वागत KCP Competitive English को. Today we have taken an important class for you, and that is from your modal chapters. You know, generally in grammar, verbs are of two kinds. What are they? One main verb and two auxiliary verb. Okay. Auxiliary verb also of the two kinds. One is primary auxiliaries and second is modal auxiliaries. And you know, in short, we say primary auxiliary means only auxiliaries. It can be said in grammar. Modal auxiliaries nowadays in the present and the modern English, it is said modals. Auxiliaries and modals. Today's class is auxiliaries. Fill in the blanks putting the auxiliaries in right order. Okay? That means differently in your options, the auxiliaries are given A, B, C. Three options we have given you. You have to choose the correct order to fill in the blanks. Okay. Yes, you can know it if you watch the full teaching video. Fill in the blanks putting the auxiliaries in right order. Number 1. You dash seen me before. Here is double dash or two blanks for you to fill in. What are they? Option are have must, have can, must have. So what is the right order here to fill in the blanks for question number 1? You must seen me before. Is it correct? No, it will be wrong. You dash seen me before. You must have seen me before. This is the answer. You have to select C. Question 2. He dash said that, but I don't remember. Auxiliary orders are given in three options. Option A, will have. Option B, ought to have. Option C, might have. Answer is he might have said that. Might have said that. You have to select this. Option C is correct here. To fill in the blank for question number 2, he might have said that, but I don't remember. Double blank, first blank might, second blank you have to fill up have. Okay. Question 3. You dash told me about it. Here is also double dash, that means the blanks you have to fill up it. Question number 3. Options are should have, will have should. You should have is the answer here. Okay. You should have told me about it. Question 4. He dash taken the book. Have may or may have. Only two options are given. Here you have to select what is the correct order. May have or have may. May have will be the answer here. Okay. Then question number 5. Be careful. Boys dash watching. Can be, may be, must be. What is the right answer here? Question number 5. Yes. Thought of the answer very carefully so that your answer will be correct. Be careful. Boys may be watching. Here answer is maybe is the answer. Question number 6. He realized how dangerous it was. Option A, ought to have. Option B, should have. Option C, has made. Yes. What is the correct order for auxiliaries? He realized how dangerous it was. Ought to have. A. Answer A here will be the correct answer. You ought to have realized how dangerous it was. Yes. This type of question, auxiliaries and modal verbs, definitely the competitive examinations will ask you, because in their examination syllabus they have included modal verbs and auxiliary verbs. Yes. Thank you for your watching.